I'll give you an example. Star Trek. I'm sure you remember Star Trek. The Star Trek communicator. This was done back in the 1960s. Okay, there were only actually about 2.5 seasons of Star Trek. And so what happened was they had the communicator and they pulled it out and sort of said, beam me up, Scotty. Well, this is remarkably like that communicator, except it happens to be a Motorola phone. And so the television writers thought about these things, and the scientists and engineers eventually said, you know, that's not a bad idea. Maybe we can actually build it. And years later, they build it. I mean, there's also the tricorders from Star Trek. And they're actually working on building these tricorders. So, I mean, it could be a science fiction writer who comes up with this information, comes up with the idea, and the engineers and scientists who've grown up on science fiction say, you know, that's not a bad thing. Let's see if we can actually build it. I mean, if you look at some of the things on Star Trek and you look at the iPad, it's not a whole lot different.